When you're finished with that final stitch of your project, you may think you're almost done, but there's one important step left in the process for knitting or crocheting, and that's blocking your finished project. All that means is you're gonna get your project wet, soak it in some water with some wool wash, and then you're able to pin it out on these blocking boards here with the help of some T-pins, and that's gonna keep your project in its right shape, and it's also going to help to relax your stitches to give it a more even look. And for that process, we have the Knit Picks T-pins here, and I really like them. They're really easy to use. They're 1.5 inches long, and they come 20 to a set. And all that you do is you take your project and then you just pin it down and you stretch your project out to the finished dimensions and you let it air dry. And then you simply remove them and your project is going to have really nice even stitches, and it's going to be the perfect size that you need it to be. And so again, to help that whole process go a lot easier, I really like the Knit Picks T-pins.